This meeting is being recorded.
So we've looked at nomenclature problems in the past. Now that we're in chapter 8, we're going to be focusing on nomenclature of alkenes. So we're going to follow similar rules that we've seen in the past, nomenclature for alkanes and other types of compounds. So we're going to begin by counting the longest carbon chain, and that will define our parent. So let's take a look at molecule B here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and depending on which way I go, 5 carbons in my longest chain. I could have gone down this path here. I also would have found 5 carbons in my longest chain, or I could have gone this way. So my count would be 5 no matter which way I went, but I'm going to choose this path here because this will give me the largest number of substituents. So remember, we have a methyl substituent here, and then we have an ethyl substituent down here. If I would have went downward, then I would have had this isopropyl substituent. So not only do you want the lowest numbering overall for your substituents, you also want to maintain the largest number of substituents. So we have our 5-membered chain here. So we know that we're going to have a pentene as our parent. Right, so pent for 5, ene is our ending because it's an alkene. We also have to name our substituents. So as far as I have here, we have 3-ethyl, and we're going to end up with a 4-methyl. We also have to name the double bond locant as well. So that will be based on the lowest number carbon where the double bond starts. So we have a 2-pentene. We're going to alphabetize our substituents. So my methyl will be second, and that will be a 4-methyl. And my ethyl alphabetically comes first, so I have a 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, 2-pentene. And just like with the first molecule here, we also have to designate the configuration of the double bond as either entgegen or zusammen. So we see here around the double bond, if we draw our dividing line, we have the one group on this side, and then our largest substituent would be on this side over here around the double bond. So again, just like with A, we have an entgegen configuration. So overall, for molecule B, we end up with E, 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, 2-pentene.